Well, here at the Port of Dover, we'll just buy it and about to board it, and it is heaving. All these poor bastards in trucks been queuing for miles. Right, here we go. Right, can you hear me all right? Right, I'm gonna go into the Port of Dover. You can see all that. I just got a coffee and some monsters and some water. This big queue of lorries here has been going back the way for, nearly 10 miles. Disaster.
Follow the A20 for 250 yards. Please turn slight left at 200
Hang on, let me turn my sat nav off.
Follow the A20.
Stop sat nav, I say. Yeah, it's bloody busy. When I was driving trucks abroad, this is what I used to do for a living, like, you know, sit in one of these, and it wasn't queuing like this, but I think with Brexit, and then there's customs paperwork to do, so adds to the bloody fun, I think, and delays. And there's that many foreign trucks now coming here instead of English ones, and Northern Irish and Scottish and Welsh ones heading out. Most of them seem to be foreign, like Polish, Slovakian, Latvian, Lithuanian, you name it. That's what it's here for. But I tell you what, I am glad that I'm not sitting at the back of this queue. Poor bastards. How times have changed. I'm sailing P&O European ferries. So, we'll see what it's like at Port of Dover. I want that auto start stop feature off on my car. Oh, a couple of swigs of latte. Right. Woo! God, it is so busy. It's Saturday and it's 7:15 on a Saturday evening, and they're all heaving to get out. I don't know how they get on with the tachograph laws. You know, you're stopping and starting, you're not being able to record a proper break, you know, to satisfy the laws. Checking, here's for cars. Need to pay attention here. Because you got to go through passport control and all that shit, ain't you? This one. Well, it's the first time I've sailed out of Dover since we left the EU, Brexit, which I personally think was a big mistake. So it's all passports at the ready. My sailing's at 10 to 9, so hopefully, all being well, I should be able to get check-in done and be on a boat. Back again. Go through passport control and queuing now for to check in with P&O ferries. So I thought I'd just do a little update. Well, it's an hour till my boat, so hopefully all going well I should make it. Hopefully. But as you can see, it's pretty busy. It's warm. It's saying 21 degrees Celsius. Right, I'll check back in a bit. Well, we're online. We're now at Calais. I'm just getting off a boat now. Bloody, the port of Dover was heaving. It's bright out here. Welcome to France. Now forgetting all my French. Well, I thought I'd record this because it might be interesting to someone. I did one boarding the Channel Tunnel once, years and years ago, in a car. I used to go on the Channel Tunnel from Folkestone, England to Calais, France, in a truck years ago. I was actually one of the first on it, believe it or not, back in the day. I can't remember, it was 1994 or something, and I was getting a bottle of champagne given as well. I don't know what they're doing over there. This stop-start system, pain in the bloody arse. Knocked it off. No, get a fag. Let's look out for the old migrants now. They shouldn't be after us lot in this queue because they know we're heading out. But coming the other way, bloody hell, they're everywhere apparently. Last time I come into Calais, there was everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Millions of the fuckers. I don't know why they all, well, I know it's the benefit system and that, but why come to England? So a lot of them are like from Africa and Afghanistan and all that, but you know, there's the benefits in that, but England's a shithole. They can fuck off. Fuck off. Cheeky cunt. Just want to cut in. Just expect you to just give way for queuing and that. You should join the queue. What are they doing here? Do-ons, customs. Do it to pull people up. It's like they're pulling people up. Wonder if I'll get pulled. Well, they didn't seem interested in me. Woo. You gotta watch the old French frogs around here because they have like nutters, some of them. Well, this is all new, I think. This little stretch. Mind you, I used to go into the freight side. Not so much the cars, but yeah. But we've still got these fences up anyway. Oh, okay. Just cut right in front of me, why don't you? You get some people who'll, like that situation there where that car just cut in front. Some people will go off their heads and start bipping their horns. It's pointless. You're just antagonising more. And sometimes they do that and then they're preloaded waiting for the big reaction, you know, the horn, the flashing of the lights, and they'll just stand on the brakes right in front of you and brake at you. You know, before you know it, you've had an accident. So it's pointless. Just ease back. Learn to bite your lips, people. It's hard. Believe me, it is hard. But, been there, done that. Worn a t-shirt for it as well. Yeah, that old guy. Right, obviously, now we're in France, I'm driving on the wrong side of the road. In Europe, they drive on the right. In England, we drive on the left. But there's plenty of mad heads over here. They're not known to be the best of drivers, are the French. Quite suicidal, some of them. Like that Calais France from Holland. They overtake you, pull in front of you right quick, then they slow down. Why? I was like, if you lost your rag at every motorist, you'd be slopping out in Parkhurst for the rest of your life. Right, hello everyone. We're in Belgium now. It's in the morning time, and I'm about to set off. Say morning time. It's 10:46, but I've been up for a few hours, and I've had a coffee and a little something to eat, and ready for the heave ho, like, you know.
Now turn right.
Whoa. Yeah. Woo! To get it up, I put my seatbelt on as well, wouldn't it?
Now turn right.
God, it's a bright sunny day.
Please follow the road for 27 kilometers. Now turn left.
Yeah, we're getting moving.
Please follow the road for 27 kilometers.
How the fucking hell do I turn this off? Oh, looks busy for a Sunday. Get his window up. Get his aircon cooling in here down. Woo! Get his party started. So, I am now in Belgium somewhere, and then I'm going to be leaving Belgium in a bit and crossing into Germany. Well, no, Belgium, then Luxembourg. Through Luxembourg, then into Germany, and hopefully drop down into Switzerland. That coffee's good. They're not too bad over here in Belgium, you know. They're not as crazy as the bloody French, you know, so happy days. Well, that's a little update. I'll be back in a bit. Bye for now.